the analysis module of selection sort. In this module, we are going to look at the time complexity and the space complexity of selection sort. Let's start with an array of n elements. As we discussed before, we iterate the array one by one to find the minimum amongst all the elements. Since we are iterating the entire array once in one iteration, the time complexity for one iteration becomes O of n, where n is the number of elements in the array. Now, let's look at how many iterations we are actually going through. As we discussed before, we are going through about n minus 1 iterations. In each iteration, we are sorting 1, 2, 3, etc. to the end. So that in the n minus 1th iteration, we sort n minus 1 elements, leaving out one element which gets sorted by itself. So the number of iterations is O of n. The total time complexity, we can multiply number of iterations into time taken to complete one iteration, which is equal to O of n into O of n, which gives me O of n square. The overall time complexity of selection sort is hence O of n square. When we discuss space complexity, we notice that this algorithm doesn't use any external memory or any extra memory for its working. Hence, space complexity of this algorithm is constant.